The town of Needham last reached out to residents about their waste and recycling preferences around 1995. Since the transfer station could use some repairs, the town would like to find out how the community currently uses the RTS and whether there should be any changes. I went down to the RTS to learn more about some options.
We're at a point where that building behind me is about 35 years into its working life, and trash and recycling really has a heavy-duty impact on a building. So we're going to need to put some repairs into that building. Before we get that funded, we need to find out what the residents really want going forward for their trash and recycling services.
The town is looking into 4 different options for the future of trash and recycling in town.
One model would be to stay as is with maybe expanded recycling options. Maybe one option would have expanded hours. Then there could be an option where we go to curbside collection using town staff and possibly purchasing a small fleet of collection trucks. Those would likely be electric refuse trucks and would need the charging infrastructure to support those. Another option would be that we outsource trash and recycling. A private company would be doing all that collection. And in that model, would we maintain the recycling transfer station open but on limited hours? So that would be kind of a hybrid model. So those are some of the options that the consultant is going to look at, and they're going to provide cost analysis with each one, because there's going to be startup costs, there's going to be ongoing costs. Even the status quo here, we know the building behind us will need some repairs. So nothing's going to be an easy, straightforward choice, but we just need the residents to understand how we're spending municipal tax dollars. So we wanted to find out how people are currently using this facility. What are the hours they come? What are the days of the week that they're coming? What sort of materials are they diverting out of their trash when they're here? Are they using the food waste program? Are they using the yard waste? Are they using textiles? Do they know about all of the services that we offer here, medical sharps and fluorescent tubes? We have the postcards that were sent out for the recycling and transfer study, and that will link to a survey. And that data is going to be shared with the consultant Tetra Tech. All the surveys are anonymous. People are allowed to make comments. Hopefully everyone's answering the questions as honestly as possible, because this will shape how we spend tax dollars going forward. So we'd really appreciate it if everyone would take the time to fill out the survey.
You can scan the QR code on the screen to take the survey. If you would like additional information on the RTS and its services, you can go to its website at needhamma.gov/RTS. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Ashley Jolier.